Hello from England, and welcome to the 12-day Regal Princess British Isles cruise. Let's do this. Before we sail off, let's do a mini suite room tour. Here's our room. To the right is the closet and storage space. You can fit your luggage here. There's shelves in those doors. There's some good storage here. And over here is the bathroom. The mini suite actually comes with a full tub and shower, which is really nice. So you're not super cramped, and it's great for people who are a little bit taller. And of course, there's a full-length mirror, so you can check out your formal night attire. In the bedroom half is a television and a very comfortable bed. And as you can see, there's a curtain that you could separate the two living spaces, the bedroom versus the seating area. We've got a desk, a nice couch, another television, another mirror to check yourself out, and of course, our balcony. We're getting on board here in Southampton. It's a busy industrial port, but we're excited to get this cruise underway. I hope you'll join us for all of the excitement that's to come. Stay tuned for our 12-day British Isles cruise here on the Regal Princess.